In this video, we will learn how to calculate do the resolution of the vectors. So this is a vector force vector F, and it is making a theta angle from the x-axis. So we can resolve this vector F in x direction and y direction. So its component in x direction will be F cos theta, because it is making angle theta from the x-axis, and perpendicular to this uh, component of this force F will be F sine theta. So remember this, that if any force is making an angle theta from x-axis, then component along x-axis will be F cos theta. Suppose this force F was making angle alpha from the y-axis, then component along y-axis should be F cos alpha, and along x-axis it should be F sine alpha. So if and it matters that from which axis angle is measured. So in this case it was measured from the x-axis, so F component will be multiplied by cos theta into force. So this is how we can do the resolution of the vectors. We can see this by an example. Suppose this is a plane which is making an angle theta is equal to 30 degree from the ground, and suppose a block of mass 10 kg is kept on this surface. So we have to calculate the forces along this plane, inclined plane, and perpendicular to this inclined plane. So weight of this block will always act downwards. So mg, suppose g is equal to 10 meter per second square. For simplicity, we have taken g is equal to 10 meter per second square. So value of mg will be 10 is n, and g is 10, is equal to 100. Now we will draw a perpendicular to this inclined plane. This is inclined plane. We have drawn a perpendicular to it. So this angle is theta. So this angle will be theta 90 minus theta, and this is perpendicular. So this angle will be theta. This angle is theta. So component along this axis, perpendicular axis, is mg cos theta, because this angle is theta, and along perpendicular to this axis or parallel to the surface, inclined surface, component will be mg sine theta. So these components can be used in calculating the reaction, vertical reaction of the inclined surface on the block. It will be equal to mg cos theta. And if you have to calculate the friction force, then you can calculate the friction force is equal to mu into mg sine theta, because friction is mu into F. Sorry, mu into mg cos theta, because friction is mu into n is reaction force. So reaction force is mg cos theta, so friction force will be mu mg sin theta. So this uh, concept will be used in many questions in mechanics. So you can calculate and reaction force n is equal to mg cos theta, because this block is stable in this direction. So n vertical force n, reaction force n will balance the mg cos theta component. So n is equal to mg cos theta is equal to 100 cos 30 is equal to 100 into 0.866 is equal to 86.6 Newton. And this component mg sin theta is equal to 100 into sine 30 is equal to 100 into 0.5 is equal to 50 Newton. So suppose coefficient of friction is mu is equal to 0.2. So how much will be the friction force? So friction force Fr is equal to mu into n. So it is mu is equal to 0.2 and n is 86.6. So we can multiply this. it will be 17.32 Newton. Hope you understand how to do the resolution of two vectors. Thanks for watching this video.